Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Lexus GX 550 versus the Audi Q7. We'll explore how these two luxury SUVs cater to different drivers. The GX 550 is known for its robust off-road prowess and traditional body-on-frame build, while the Q7 excels with its sophisticated on-road manners and unibody design. Both vehicles offer spacious interiors with 3 rows, making them suitable for families. Under the hood, the Lexus GX 550 boasts a powerful 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering 349 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and full-time 4-wheel drive. The Audi Q7, on the other hand, comes with a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6, producing 335 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic and Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system. These powertrains highlight their distinct performance philosophies. Hey everyone, if you're finding this comparison helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: whether you're hitting the trails or just commuting, staying fueled is important. Make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Inside, the Lexus GX 550 offers a driver-focused cabin with a large 14-inch multimedia touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital gauge display. The Audi Q7 presents a sleek, modern interior with dual touchscreens for infotainment and climate control. Both vehicles prioritize luxury with high-quality materials, available heated and ventilated front seats, and comprehensive driver assistance features, ensuring a comfortable and connected journey for everyone. When it comes to capability, the Lexus GX 550 truly shines with an impressive maximum towing capacity of over 9,000 pounds, and its off-road trims offer advanced systems like EKDSS for challenging terrains. The Audi Q7, while still capable, focuses on a refined on-road experience, providing a smooth and comfortable ride, especially when equipped with its adaptive air suspension. Each SUV is designed for distinct adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.